Akro-Mils rail hanging systems are ideal for creating workstations, allowing fast, easy organization and parts retrieval. Available in single-sided and double-sided units, the 14-gauge steel rails securely support Akro bins, 19 series steel cabinets, and Insight Ultra Clear bins. Single-sided units can be placed against a wall to save space. Double-sided racks can be used with our mobile kit for added versatility. Akro-Mils also offers a rail bin cart and wall-mounted steel rail for additional rail storage options.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.